Namaste. Let the best things happen to all of us. Friends, this channel is dedicated exclusively to improve the water scenario in our country, India. And we will be discussing about water and water only till we achieve the reversing trend of the groundwater. Now it's falling, we have to change it to raising. In this connection, in our first video, we have very clearly charted out a common agenda for all of us of bringing back the groundwater within a decade. Ladies and gentlemen, all our presentations are prepared based on prevailing conditions of water in India. And there is another reason for that. India is the largest consumer of groundwater globally, and if we don't stop the groundwater downfall, we all will be in a tough situation. Though conditions are Indian, but contents are global in nature and anyone can view, apply, comment and guide for the improvements. What we are trying to convey is to strike a balance between the withdrawals and deposit of the groundwater. We have to curtail and reduce our withdrawals, harvest and deposit more and more into the ground. Earlier we have discussed how upgrading to new RO machines straight away reduces the wastage by 60%. This is the best way to save water if RO water usage is inevitable. We also discussed regarding the alternate usage of RO wastewater. RO has a lot of potential. One thing is pretty clear. If we continue to practice what we were doing all these days, we will continue to get the same result what we have been getting all these days. And that is, water will continue to fall and conditions will become from bad to worst. From hand pumps and wells, we have shifted to bores. From normal bores to deep bores. From low water in summer to no water in summer to tankers. Now water is reaching from far off places in some cities during summer. And unfortunately, still somehow it's acceptable to us. So what we are advocating through these videos is to bring back the water to right under your plinth area. Still it is not late and it's possible to make a comeback. Let's do it. 1 decade is not a big time, it will just pass. If we allow it to pass the way we want, we will end up with plenty of water. If status quo is maintained, we will lose hell lot of water into the drains. If water's natural tendency is to go down below the earth and remain safe there forever, why not to give it a try? You will realize how easily it can be achieved. Together, first focus on all the water we have with us. Let's take a pledge that we will take out water only for our requirements. And once the water is taken out, it should not go as waste. Chennai was one of the wettest city, but due to rampant urbanization, the groundwater recharge was not adequate and it ran out of water. Let this not happen to other cities in our country. Our Chennai also should get back its water by 2030. Together we will make it happen. So whatever we have got, whatever water we have got with us, we have to save that and we have to conserve when it rains. Harvesting rain is a very important requirement, but right now we are not focusing on that aspect in these videos. It requires a lot of investments and infrastructure. We are separately working on that. First, whatever is there in our hands, let's do which can be done immediately. You know, we are drawing around 230 cubic kilometer of water per year from the ground. And that is in spite of more than 4,000 cubic kilometer we receive as rain, the ground table is falling. So our aim is 230 cubic kilometer or more should go back to the ground. Every drop we save will be accounted for. And as we have a population of around 140 crores, each saving matters a lot. For all saving measures, whatever we are discussing here in these videos, we will be assuming 1 crore persons are straight away following the proposal out of 140 crores. I think it's a reasonable figure. So towards end of each video, we will be discussing the cumulative saving part. That is the potential or actual. That 1 crore compliance is a big figure, but once accepted by all, it will be a small milestone and then actually what we are likely to achieve. We have already discussed about the RO's potential. Today we will talk about a small day-to-day saving potential, saving possibility. Just 1 liter a day, one person. You must be wondering why we are discussing about 1 liter. Gentlemen, if the same situation is allowed to continue, the day will not be far when we will be forced to discuss saving each drop. Okay, this is an ordinary spray bottle, readily available, costing maybe around 50 rupees. All of us should have one in our bathroom. All hotels should keep it for their guests. Let me explain how it can save water for us. All of us who use razors normally for shaving clean the blades using the tap water. Within the blades, gap is very less and tap water cannot really clean it properly with the available tap pressure and opening what we keep. In this process, to get a satisfactory cleaning, we actually end up wasting a lot of water. Same is with the toothbrush cleaning. We really cannot clean the brush near the roots of the bristles. Try cleaning these two things with the spray what we are proposing today. You will be amazed with the cleaning and surprisingly less water it uses. This saves a minimum 1 liter per day per person. Make this spray bottle an integral part of your bathroom. Slowly you will love to have it. It will also help us to remain focused on our target of restoring the groundwater every time we see it in our bathroom. All of us are responsible, all of us are planning to restore the groundwater. Now, most important, the cumulative saving potential, daily and on annual basis. Once you install a new RO, you save 21 liters per day. RO water mixing with the sump, RO wastewater mixing with the sump, you save 70 liters per day. 5,000 liters per day per unit. Commercial RO unit has got a potential. And with this spray what we are discussing, 1 liter per day. All this details, whatever we are discussing about the ROs, we have given in our first video. You can view the video in our channel. Links also will be given in this end of this video. Put together 5,092 liters per day and 1 crore individuals, and considering 1 crore commercial RO. Annual saving is 19 cubic kilometer, a lot away from our target of 230 cubic kilometer, but a giant step towards the goal. We have to seriously and sooner consider the harvesting part also to fill the ground faster. Every water usage of ours offers an opportunity for saving, for reducing the consumption. All we have to do is just to keep an eye on each and every hour of our activity. Like money, water also has to be saved, drop by drop, sip by sip. We know by just releasing the videos we cannot achieve the desired results. Still, this is a very important requirement. Please write your comments for improvements and send us your compliance, if any, through WhatsApp. Our numbers are given in the video. We are keeping the links of these videos readily available for you to access in our website also, greenfactory.com. We are also planning to create an awareness campaign among the children online. Please share your views in this regard. How can we make it happen? Or if at all it is required or not, that also you please tell us. After all, what we are doing is for them only. If they take the charge right now, our job will become easy. So before we conclude, just a recapitulation of what we have discussed. Water is to be consumed cautiously. Old RO units if replaced, you can save the water. All the wastewater that is produced from RO need not be wasted. It can be mixed with the bore water in the sump or in the overhead tank. And of course, remember to maintain this spray what we have discussed today. Okay, till next video. Bye for now. It's a Green Facts India presentation. Thank you very much. Do share the video if you are finding the contents useful. Thanks again. Thank you.